everyone, welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your go-to destination for turning ordinary spaces into extraordinary green sanctuaries. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Have you ever dreamt of stepping right out your back door to snip fresh, fragrant herbs for your dinner? If the answer is yes, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into one of the most practical, beautiful, and rewarding projects you can take on, creating a flourishing backyard herb garden. We'll show you exactly how to grow, decorate, and enjoy your very own culinary and medicinal paradise. So, what exactly is a backyard herb garden? Simply put, it's a dedicated area in your outdoor space. Whether it's a sprawling lawn, a small patio, or a balcony, designed specifically for cultivating herbs. It's more than just a collection of plants. It's a living pantry and pharmacy, right outside your door. Unlike traditional vegetable gardens, the focus is on plants prized for their flavor, aroma, and medicinal properties, such as basil, mint, rosemary, and chamomile. It truly blurs the line between utility and aesthetic beauty, turning a functional space into a decorative highlight of your backyard. It's about bringing nature's freshest ingredients and most soothing aromas directly into your daily life. The benefits of an herb garden go far beyond just fresh ingredients. Firstly, there's the unbeatable flavor. Freshly harvested herbs contain essential oils that deliver a potent flavor you simply can't match with dried, store-bought varieties. Secondly, it's a huge cost saver. A single plant of basil or mint can provide continuous harvests for months, saving countless trips to the grocery store. Thirdly, herbs are a fantastic source of wellness and natural remedies. Many herbs, like chamomile for tea or lavender for sleep, offer natural health benefits. But perhaps the most appealing benefit for our Garden Decor Designs audience is the aesthetic value and sensory experience. Herbs often feature beautiful textures, vibrant green hues, and stunning flowers, and their fragrant oils create an incredible sensory layer to your outdoor living area. The act of gardening itself is also a well-documented stress reliever, connecting you with nature and providing a rewarding, hands-on hobby. Decorating your herb garden is where the fun really begins, and where you can turn a simple plot into a stunning focal point. To achieve a beautiful look, focus on integrating structure, style, and unique accents. Start with your planters and beds. Raised beds constructed from attractive materials like cedar, stone, or painted wood provide clean lines and a modern feel. Alternatively, embrace the charm of mismatched terracotta pots for a rustic, Mediterranean vibe. Don't forget the pathways. Using materials like fine gravel, stepping stones, or mulch defines the space and makes it feel deliberate and designed. Finally, add decorative elements like whimsical garden signs, a classic watering can, a small garden bench, or even string lights draped above the beds to give the area a cozy, enchanting glow in the evening. The key is to match the garden style to your home's overall aesthetic for a seamless look. Choosing the right herbs ensures success and keeps your garden thriving. For beginners, it's best to stick with hardy, prolific growers. Basil is a must-have for culinary enthusiasts, but remember it loves heat and sun. Mint is another essential, but it is an aggressive grower, so always plant it in a pot or a contained area to prevent it from taking over your garden. Rosemary and thyme are wonderful, woody perennial herbs that look great year-round and require minimal watering once established. If you're looking for medicinal and aromatic powerhouses, plant some beautiful lavender for its scent and calming properties, and chives or oregano for their beautiful flower clusters and ease of maintenance. Always check your local growing zone, but these 6 staples, basil, mint, rosemary, thyme, lavender, and oregano, will give you a beautiful, bountiful, and low-maintenance herb garden. And finally, for the conclusion, let's explore the top 10 best backyard herbs garden ideas to inspire and spark your imagination. 1. The classic brick herb spiral. This beautiful, tiered structure utilizes vertical space to create different microclimates. Built from rustic bricks, this design ensures that plants needing excellent drainage and more sun, like rosemary, are placed at the top, while moisture-loving herbs, such as mint, thrive at the bottom. This makes it an incredibly efficient and visually stunning design for any garden size. 2. Long, clean-lined raised planter. A gorgeous example of modern garden design, this long, deep rustic wood raised bed defines a planting area with structure and style. It keeps the herbs easily accessible and separated from the lawn, preventing aggressive spreaders. The height minimizes bending, and the dark wood contrasts beautifully with the lush greenery and colorful flowers. 3 double raised beds with picket fence charm. These 2 matching wooden raised beds are set in a stylish crushed gravel bed, bordered by a charming white picket fence. The design offers excellent drainage and a neat, organized look. The mix of textures, smooth gravel, rough wood, and lush herbs, creates a rich, layered aesthetic, complemented by nearby outdoor seating. 4. The upcycled wagon wheel herb garden. This creative, space-saving idea uses an old wooden wagon wheel as a natural divider for different herb varieties. The radial sections keep mint, oregano, and thyme separated while presenting a symmetrical, eye-catching focal point. It's an excellent project for utilizing reclaimed materials and adding a rustic, bohemian touch to the garden. 5. Balcony vertical container garden. Perfect for urban or small patio spaces, this idea maximizes limited vertical area. It uses stacked, tiered planters and pots, including those mounted on a central drain pipe, to create a stunning, productive wall of herbs. This design is highly practical, ensuring good drainage and allowing for easy harvesting right on a balcony. 6. The formal, fenced pottage or herb garden. A dedicated, large-scale kitchen garden designed with formal elements like white picket fencing and a small garden shed. The defined rectangular beds and archway entrance give this herb and vegetable patch a truly classic and traditional feel. The structure allows for organized crop rotation and provides high visual impact. 7. Covered patio vertical planter wall. A sophisticated covered outdoor living area featuring multiple floating wooden planter boxes installed horizontally on a wall. This setup is ideal for a semi-protected space, allowing fresh herbs to be grown immediately adjacent to a dining area. The bistro string lights and wood table complete the cozy, functional atmosphere. 8. DIY recycled bottle edging garden. This low-cost, sustainable idea uses upcycled plastic bottles filled with soil to create a simple, charming border for a traditional garden area. This method is great for starting seedlings or planting herbs in a neat, orderly row, demonstrating how everyday items can be repurposed into functional garden decor. 9. The central garden fountain herb display. A dramatic and luxurious herb garden idea where a central stone fountain acts as the centerpiece, surrounded by concentric rings of low-growing herbs and flowering plants. The use of mixed paving like smooth river stones and brick creates a mesmerizing pattern, turning the functional herb garden into a piece of landscape art. 10. Large, productive raised bed and herb patch. A wider view of a classic, well-tended garden showcasing a mixture of herbs, vegetables, and flowers within a large, defined raised wooden bed. This design highlights the benefits of gardening in a spacious, organized way, complete with clear pathways and a charming herb sign to delineate the planting zones. Whether you choose the rustic charm of a wagon wheel planter or the sleek efficiency of a vertical wall, a backyard herb garden is an incredible asset to your home. It's a space that nourishes your body, calms your mind, and elevates the look of your entire outdoor living area. We hope these 10 ideas have sparked your creativity and given you the motivation to start snipping and growing today. Which of these ideas was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more outdoor inspiration and step-by-step DIY projects. Don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss our next video. Happy gardening, and we'll see you next time.